guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have this New Year's Eve black glitter smoky eye. It's super simple. So to start the look off, I'm taking the NYX black jumbo eye pencil and applying that all over my entire lid. And with a small pencil brush, I'm blending that out. This is the easiest way for me, I personally think, to do a smoky eye. It's super simple to do instead of taking black shadow first. So taking this stick really helps. So going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Texture Eyeshadow Palette, I'm taking the black shade, just blending that directly into my crease and applying it all over the entire lid. If you don't set this, it will get very tacky and crease, so definitely make sure you set it. Now going back into that palette, I'm taking this dark brown shade just to blend everything out. You barely see it, but doing this step really ensures that your look is going to be very blended. So as you guys see, I'm really blending it using circular motions, and then I go in with a clean fluffy brush and I really go in and really make sure to blend that all out. Now I'm taking a makeup wipe just to clean that line up to make it nice and sharp, and I did the other eye off camera, and now we're going to apply the glitter, the fun part. So I'm taking this hard candy glitter glue and I'm taking that and applying it over my entire lid. You want to make sure you do this, don't miss any areas on the lid because the glitter will not stick. Now I'm taking this black silver glitter, it's from AOS. I did a whole video on my channel dedicated to their products. I'll leave it down below for you guys, they're very inexpensive. And I'm taking this glitter and packing this over my entire lid, making sure to be very careful not to get it in my eye. It can be very dangerous, so be careful. And look how gorgeous that is. So New Year's Eve, I'm obsessed. Now I'm just taking some mascara and applying that to my top lashes, just so when I apply my falsies, they blend nicely together. I'll leave my falsies that I'm using down below for you guys. Now finishing up the eyes, I'm going back into that dark brown shade and applying this from inner to outer lash line very closely. You can really go in with this and make it nice and smoky if you want, but I noticed with my eyes, it definitely makes my eyes smaller. This is going to happen to anyone that adds a dark shade underneath their lash line. It makes your eyes smaller. So I just did a tiny little bit, go back in with that black, and as you see, I did it very closely to my lash line because I don't want my eyes to be too closed and small. So I really just went a little bit in with this, not too much, and really make sure to blend it out so it's nice and seamless and smoky. Now going in with some bottom mascara to finish up the eyes. Now taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the second shade and applying that in my inner corner as well as my brow bone, and that is it for the eyes. So simple. I absolutely love this for New Year's Eve. I'll definitely be wearing it. Now to finish the face, I'm just going to go ahead and skim through this for you guys. It's super easy. So first, I'm taking the Toofaced Hangover RX Primer. You guys already know. Now I want my skin to be very glowy. I just like when I think of New Year's Eve, I think of glitter and glow. So for that, I'm taking the Loreal Lumi. I absolutely love this. It's so good. If you guys are looking for a dewy, nice skin moisturizer type of primer, I highly recommend this. It's so good. And then going in with my Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray, I'm applying that on my entire skin. Now for foundation, I'm mixing these two Nars ones. Again, I'll leave everything down below for you guys. I love this foundation, super full coverage, but it doesn't look super cakey and it's very dewy, so highly recommend. Now to highlight and conceal, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes and down the center of my face. I also use this in a darker shade you guys will see in a little bit to bronze and warm up the skin. Now for liquid highlight, you guys already know I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Drops and applying that wherever I'm going to be applying my highlight to the high points on my cheeks, as well as on the bridge of my nose and all of that. Now I'm going to be setting my under eyes just so nothing creases. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder and just lightly applying it underneath my eyes and anywhere else that I applied concealer. Now to bronze the skin, I'm taking the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in medium dark and it's bronzing wherever we put that cream bronzer. For blush, I'm taking the Pixi Cake Palettes. If you guys haven't seen my mini tutorial on Instagram, definitely be sure to check it out. But I did a whole video using these and they're so good. So I'm taking the darker side and it's warming up my cheeks a little bit. I absolutely love this. It also adds a little bit of a glow as well. Now to set that cream highlighter, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Of course, you guys already know. And look at that. Oh, obsessed. And then just setting my face again with the Toofaced spray. And yeah, just finishing up with the lips. I wanted to go with a nude, so I'm taking this one by NYX. I don't remember the name. I never do, but I'll leave it down below for you guys. And applying this Revlon gloss over top. And that is it for this New Year's Eve smoky eye. I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys next year. Bye, guys.